Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, it's only a rejuvenation. My model had this on for I want to say about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. She just came back from Jamaica and she wanted it to be fixed up, and that's what I'm doing for her. So you guys just pay attention. It's nothing too much, just a wig rejuvenation. And remember to leave a like. Remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. So if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I mostly do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. Like I said before, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I promise you that you'll be able to take away something from my channel and add it to your own technique. So basically, to sum it all up, I'm just tightening her up, trimming her up, and I'm going to give her some loose curls, and that'll be it, and send her on her lovely way. So you guys, like I said, hit the subscribe button, I will leave all the stuff that I'm using down in the description box. Sometimes I forget, so guys, just leave a comment if you really want to know something, and I will handle it for you. Did I mention that I made this wig? If you guys want to see the full making of this wig from beginning to end, I will leave the video in the bottom of this video at the end. You guys just click on it and you can see the making of this unit. So I added her beautiful soft curls, loose wave, and guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe if you're not. I have a lot of things on my channel that you can definitely learn from. I love you guys. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah!